Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer,
Ira Epstein of Pause Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 9th of August, 2017, and I am late. It's about 9:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time. I just did a Fox interview at 9:15, so by the time that ended at 9:25, running up here, takes a bit to get everything done. But as you know, the big event of the evening and so far of the morning has been the oral threats between President Trump and Kim Jong-un. And what we've got now is a president that has used rhetoric similar to what President Truman did. And this had to do, obviously, with Japan at the time of the war when the Rain of Fire happened and 2 cities were taken down. I don't know what that's about other than what I said on Bloomberg. I think the president's trying to get this war of words heated up so enough people are calling the Chinese and saying, rein them in even further. We've done as much as we can. Obviously, there is a threat should any missile of any type go towards Guam. I doubt that's going to happen. I doubt it very large way. So I want to remind you of a few things. You had a monster jump today of 1.75 in the VIX, got up to 1263. Each time that has happened this year, and we've had this big surge, the market has quickly given that up and failed, especially on runs against the 100-day moving average of closes. Gold is obviously getting a big bid, as did the Swiss franc, the Japanese yen, which has given back already a good amount of it, but still a nice bid that we're seeing there, and the dollar even getting a bid. That doesn't mean that the bonds and notes don't get the play. They did as well. Remember, tomorrow we have the huge USDA report, supply-demand report. We'll get our acreage guesstimates. We're going to get final, well, not the word final, we're going to get revised bushels an acre, and it's really going to have a lot of impact on these markets. Now, as I said, we've already had the situation with North Korea. We'll see if it cools down or if it picks up later today. The EIA numbers just came out. On the surface, this is a good number, down 6.45 million barrels. They were looking for down 2.75, but it is countered completely when you look at this monster increase in the gas stocks. And while you were down more than we thought in distillates, I contend that this becomes the problem because the refinery capacity picked up. Add to this that the EIA yesterday said that they only expect this year to be averaging for the U.S. about $49 a barrel, about where we're at. Remember, we're still in August, and next year closer to $50. You're a little rich in price up here. U.S. wholesale inventory, sale inventories up 0.7. They expected them up only 0.5. The sales were up 0.5. Last was down 0.5 point. Sales ratio 1.2 months. When you go to the July housing starts in Canada, they were up 4.4% from the previous month. Remember, they've had a wild housing market there. They've had to curtail sales in different parts of the West, and it's been pretty wild. France's central bank forecasts that they project the country's third quarter GDP at 0.5 point growth, unchanged from the recent pace. And of course, the Bank of England keeps warning that in spite of increasing recruitment issues, I can't get that out today, they only plan on offering 2 to 3% pay increases. What's really going on there is Brexit has just thrown their economy into a what-if scenario. And if you're a big corporation there, it's hard to make a commitment until you have enough information to know what you're committing to. What's the status going to be for trade and the like, and that becomes the problem. Nat gas did get a bid today, and it appears that that must be off of something in the weather because you're getting weighed down, as you can see in other parts of the complex. Want to remind you, Modern Trader magazine. Now, I'm waiting right now to see what the September issue looks like, and I'll bring it on. But this is how the August market did look. And one of the things that they do is Modern Trader, not only the magazine that I'm talking about, but they put out these special publications. And this is profitable trading strategies in any market. So not only is the magazine cool, but then they take articles that they've got and they put them into these different publications, which this one covers price action trading, the basics, how to trade the flat base pattern, caliber and affinity, the American Crowfoot, 10 rules. How do you get all this from us? Because we do offer a one-year subscription for free to Modern Trader. It's a $79 value. Go to their website. It's not free. You're going to pay them the $79. How do you get it? It's simple. You call us at 866-973-2077. You can go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. You can click up here. If you're watching me on YouTube, you'll see the icon. Click that, the form will appear. And under us on many websites, it says, click here for Ira's free offers. Sorry for the tongue tying. Don't know why that happened, but I'll see you this afternoon in the other videos. You have a great trading day.